time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1966 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Original California car, comes with a Protecto plate, owner's manual. 327 underneath the hood. Take a look in the still pictures. You're going to see the VIN stamp on the engine. Appears to be numbers matching 327. Has had a repaint along the way. Judging by the paint code on this, this was originally Laguna blue car, 978 paint code. Now appears to be very close to a Nassau blue, I would call it. 414 is your trim code for the interior, so it does have the original blue vinyl interior. Also a power brake car. Let's go ahead and take a look. The chrome grill, bright work on this car up front. Paint does show nice. You're going to see a few little spots where you've had a touch up here or there, but overall paint does show well. You can see it's got a nice shine to it. Don't be afraid to get in this car, turn the key and go, and I'm going to get to that here in just a bit. But first of all, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us 507-386-1726. We'll start it up here in a bit too. Let you hear it run. Check out underneath the hood. As you can see, knockoff wheels, side pipes, 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that 327. Center console, and you can see interior also in nice shape, carpeting, seats. And again, we'll get around to that driver's side, check it out a little closer on the interior. We'll start it up. I'm going to put the top up here at the end of this video, let you check that out. And that is a white vinyl top. Now, I mentioned earlier this was a California car. This would have came with the AIR system, which would be your air injection reaction right here. Those components will stay with the car, as well as, like I said, the Protecto plate, the owner's manual. Now, we did work here for a customer that is selling this car, and some of the work that was done is new manifold, I should say exhaust manifolds, were put on it. That's when the AIR system was removed. Okay, let me get into some of the other things that were done. Engine work. It has a rebuilt 327, and again, appears to be numbers matching. Take a look at the pictures in the VIN. It had a new cam, new lifters, pistons, bearings, valve job, all done when it was rebuilt. There's a dyno sheet on it. I'll take a picture of that. As far as numbers that this one put out, it was 318 horsepower, 347 pound-feet of torque, and it sounds good. There's no doubt about that. New radiator also added, heater core. Get to some of the brake work. New pads and calipers, all four corners, brake hoses, the exhaust pipes, new chambered exhaust pipes were put on, as well as those exhaust manifolds that I mentioned. It does have shocks, new shocks, and the steering stabilizer shock. And all of that was done, and it has less than 200 miles on it. So just give you a rundown there, and there are receipts for that too. You got any questions, call in. Once again, 507-386-1726. One thing to remember is we do consider trades. Maybe you got a later model Corvette, you want to get into an older one. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Again, you can see paint shows well. Notice right here, just a couple little spots where it's been touched up. But again, overall, nice shine to that paint. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels, great shape, carpeting, all show well. And again, seats, not showing much shine, not showing much signs of wear, really anything along the line. All right, let's fire this up. Warm it up a little bit, let you hear it run. See, it starts easily, a little bit cold-blooded. We're gonna let it warm up here a tad. Here's the gas gauge is working. Tach, of course, is. second. Let's pop the hood, check the engine bay out. We'll check out the top and wrap this video up. Here it is. Look at how smooth this thing runs. Again, power brakes. 327 paired with a 4-speed manual. There's the new exhaust manifolds. The headlights up. And again, California car with the AIR removed, but will be included with the purchase of this vehicle. Electronic ignition system, you see the box underneath that fender over there. Also has a new battery, new radiator, new master cylinder. So recent service just done to this before the gentleman put it up for sale. Like I said, won't be afraid to get in this one, turn the key and go. All right, let's check that top out and finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the top up. So nice, it fits above the windshield. Folds up easily. Again, manual top. One person can do it in probably a minute or less. White vinyl. So the rubber gaskets fit nicely along the bottom and along the body. Free of holes, rips, tears. Gonna serve the purpose. Keep you out of the sun. Keep you dry, whichever the need may be. And again, all the way around it, back up to the front of the windshield. Obviously has been replaced along the way. Newer, nicer shape. There you go, looking for a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, original California car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call every email.